Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee if you're new here. So today what I'm doing with the rest of the pears that I got from Azure Standard, you can check the description for the link to Azure Standard. And what I have here is the rest of the pears I didn't eat or can. And I have there right now. And I've mixed in here a little bit of lemon juice, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg, and cane sugar. And I'm going to make a pear crisp. What I have in here is flour, some more spices, cinnamon and nutmeg, a sprinkle of salt, and plant-based butter. And I'm going to just crumble that together. Okay, now I have the crumble on the top and the fruit is on the bottom. And we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes. The plant butter is homemade with Costco oat milk. The flour, sugar, and the pears I got from Azure Standard.